To make the best fried rice recipe that your family will love and also play the fried rice game, then this recipe is the one for you to try. Hi, this is Cook with Debbie, and join me and let's get into the video. So here we are prepping the chicken. With a clean chicken in my pot, I add in chopped onions. This is turmeric powder. This is oregano, rosemary, and some salt to taste. I add a little bit of water because I'm going to use the same water to cook the rice. So we check on our chicken, and it's a soft chicken, so I don't want to overcook because I'm going to grill or fry it. So in the same pan, I add my basmati rice. You can use any rice that you want, but with this video, I'm using basmati rice. Okay, so we stir the rice with a little of water and salt to taste, and then we bring it to a boil. So whilst the rice is on fire, we prep the vegetables. I have yellow bell pepper, carrot, beans, and scallions or green spring onions. So I chop everything into smaller sizes. I like it in smaller sizes because when you chop it in big size, people tend to remove the vegetables from the rice. So I want it smaller. So then after prepping, we go ahead and then fry our chicken. If you want a healthy chicken, you can go in for the grilling one because it reduces the oil in the food or in the chicken. So, but the purpose of this video, I am frying the chicken. So I fry the chicken until it's golden brown, and then we set it aside. So here we check on our rice and it's cooked. So I use my spoon to stir everything so that it will be easy when I am frying it. So it's already cooked and I open up for it to cool down, and then we fry. So we are going to fry in a pot. I have my chopped onions in an oil. So I fry this like 1 to 2 minutes. And for fried rice, you have to get a wok or a large pan like mine, then you can work in it better. So here I am using a large pan, and then after the onion, I added my carrot and the beans. Okay, the green beans, they are the hardest of the vegetables I am using, so I start to work on that first so that it will take the time to soften enough. So in the same pan, I add a little bit of oil and then break my eggs. So here I'm using 2 eggs and then a little bit of salt on the egg, and then stir everything together. So after cracking or breaking the eggs, making it a scrambled eggs, we add everything with the vegetables to it and then fry for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we move on to the next step. So I have my cooked rice. I added the cooked rice to the vegetables, and then we start to stir. It is called fried rice. So let the rice fry. Okay? This is why you need a larger pot or a wok to work better for you. So here we stir with a medium high heat and then allow the rice to fry. So this here I go in for my other veggies because they are very soft and you can enjoy it fresh like that. So I have my yellow bell pepper and my scallions or spring onions. And look at how beautiful our fried rice is looking. So this is my last ingredient. I am using some soy sauce. Okay, and then we stir. So our fried rice is almost done. So simple and easy. And you can put this in your kids' lunch box. You can do it for your friends. You can do it for a party. Anywhere you can use it. Okay, so you have to fry it well so that it can last for some time before it goes bad. Fried rice, because of the vegetables, when you leave it, it goes bad easily. But when you do it in this way, it will last longer. And the flavor is so much. And here we add our chicken to it, and our fried rice is ready to be served and enjoy. If you watched to this end, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then if you have any question, drop in the comment section below. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.